Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I specialize in commercial insurance insights. Malpractice insurance is a critical consideration for small business owners, particularly those in the medical and legal fields where professional mistakes can lead to expensive lawsuits. This type of insurance is essential to protect against claims of negligence or improper practice, but navigating the intricacies of coverage options and legal requirements can be overwhelming. Understanding the nuances is vital, as a simple oversight could jeopardize your business's long-term viability. Keep watching because in this video we will discuss these important topics. What is malpractice insurance? Why do professionals need malpractice insurance? What is professional liability coverage? What are legal defense costs? Claims made versus occurrence policies. What's the difference? How does tail coverage work and when is it necessary? What are policy limits and deductibles? Common exclusions in a malpractice insurance policy and a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Malpractice insurance is a special type of insurance that protects professionals, like doctors or lawyers, if they make a mistake while doing their job. Imagine if a doctor gave someone the wrong treatment by accident and the patient got hurt. Malpractice insurance would help the doctor pay for any costs related to fixing that mistake. Professionals need malpractice insurance because it helps them avoid paying a lot of money out of their own pockets if something goes wrong. For example, if a lawyer gives bad advice and it causes problems for their client, the client might sue the lawyer. Malpractice insurance would help cover the costs of the lawsuit. Professional liability coverage is a part of malpractice insurance that pays for any mistakes made while doing one's job. For instance, if a nurse accidentally gives a patient the wrong medicine, professional liability coverage would help pay for any harm caused to the patient. Legal defense costs are the expenses to hire lawyers and go to court if someone sues a professional. If a dentist is taken to court because a patient believes the dentist made a mistake, legal defense costs would help pay for the lawyer and court fees. A claims-made policy covers incidents reported while the policy is active, even if they happened earlier. An occurrence policy covers incidents that happened while the policy was active, no matter when they are reported. For example, if a mistake happened in 2018 but was only reported in 2020, a claims-made policy would need to be active in 2020 to cover it, while an occurrence policy would cover it if it was active in 2018. Tail coverage is extra protection that extends a claims-made policy even after it ends. It is necessary when a professional stops working or changes jobs. For instance, if a doctor retires, tail coverage would protect them from claims filed after they stopped working. Policy limits are the maximum amount an insurance company will pay for a claim. Deductibles are the amount a professional must pay before insurance helps. If a policy limit is $1 million and a claim costs $1.2 million, the professional pays $200,000. If a deductible is $1,000, the professional pays that amount before insurance covers the rest. Exclusions are things that are not covered by insurance. Common exclusions might include intentional harm or illegal activities. For example, if a doctor purposely harms a patient, malpractice insurance would not cover that because it is an intentional act. If a claim is made, a professional should contact their insurance company immediately. They should provide all details about the incident and follow the advice of the insurance company. For example, a therapist who receives a claim should inform their insurer and avoid discussing the case with others until they receive legal guidance. The retroactive date is the date after which incidents are covered by a claims-made policy. If a mistake occurs before this date, it won't be covered. For example, if the retroactive date is January 1, 2020, any incidents happening before that date wouldn't be covered, even if reported later. I hope this deep dive into malpractice insurance has equipped you with a stronger understanding of its vital role in safeguarding your professional journey. By demystifying topics such as professional liability coverage, policy nuances, and the importance of tail coverage, you're now better prepared to protect your practice against unforeseen challenges. With this knowledge, you can manage risks more effectively and focus on what you do best. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.